It's that time of year here in Florida. Here a storm, there a storm. It seems like there's really no method to the madness. Well, here at WRUF, we are tracking them all, telling you when and where they're going to move, at least giving it our best shot. From the WRUF Weather Center, I'm Jeff Huffman. Wanted to show you how the storms evolved today and why Gainesville downtown didn't get anything, but areas just north of town did. It's all about the instability factor. And this morning on the satellite, watch this. I'm going to pause it at 10 o'clock. We had some storms that were a little premature today, if you will, coming in off the nature coast, and there was this perimeter of cloud cover around those. I'm circling it on the screen here. Now I'm going to fast forward to the afternoon hours. Outside of that circle is where the new storms formed. Inside that circle, the air mass was stable. Check it out. Later in the day, you can see all those storms developing north and east of Gainesville. And then later this evening, we actually had some instability redevelop near Ocala. So there's the afternoon hours. And then as we move into the evening hours, the areas I circled finally recovered a bit. Too little, too late, though, for much of anything here in Gainesville. Okay, moving forward, here's the when and where for your Friday, the Saturday, and Sunday. Friday, it's early afternoon, similar setup. The Gulf sea breeze marches inland, so those storms usually pass Gainesville early in the day. But then Saturday, weaker wind flows allows both sea breezes to march inland. And typically, if that occurs, we get some stronger storms near I-75 a little later in the day. And then starting on Sunday with a dominant Atlantic flow, we'll start to dry out a little bit. Saturday's that transition day, and I know from experience that when we are in that transition period, for some reason, Alachua County gets the stronger storm. So we'll watch that for you on your Saturday. Here's your Friday. Watch this. Radar from left to right across your screen. There's the Gulf sea breeze pushing toward the Atlantic coast later in the day along I-95, and then maybe a cell or two produces an outflow boundary by evening, and it moves up closer to Gainesville. But once again, I think most of the activity Friday is between, say, 1 and 4 p.m. here in Alachua County. Then here's Saturday's setup. There's the sea breeze collision. Look at the peninsula lit up with thunderstorms for the interior areas, and once again, strong storms possible later in the afternoon hours on Saturday. Tracking some drier air in the wake of a weak tropical wave. That's what's moving in on Sunday. You can see the colors here, that lighter white color and some of that brown. That's drier air in the mid-levels, so we should see a decrease in the thunderstorm activity. And that's going to hold through about Tuesday of next week. And then watch this. Something very unusual for July is occurring. An unusually strong cold front. Folks, the Tennessee and Ohio valleys, the Great Lakes, that's the place to be next week. They will be experiencing some wonderful weather with cooler air and lower humidity. But unfortunately, the front stalls just to our north. It would be really unusual to get a frontal passage here in July in the state of Florida. I don't think that's going to happen, but we will come close to seeing that, and at least we'll get the thunderstorms going back up again by the middle of next week. Here's your updated 6-day. Warm and humid to start for your Friday, clouding over at lunchtime, storms moving to our east by drive time. Then later in the day, Saturday, some of them strong. Typical rain chances return Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday.